Guys, and welcome to my channel. I don't know why I always put my arm out like that. Anyway, my name is Alessandra if you guys are new to my channel, and I'm so excited because I am doing a review slash first impressions on the Velour Lash and Go eyeliner plus lash adhesive hybrid. If you know me, or I'm pretty sure in every single video I've had used so far, Velour Lashes lash glue, it's my favorite. That's what I use. I love them. So when I saw this, I was super intrigued. I don't typically do liquid liner, but sometimes I'll tight line, things like that. So when I want a tight line or get that black line or a liquid liner, and I know I'm going to do lashes, it's just going to be so much easier to use this. So let's open it up. I'm really excited. So you just pop the cover off and it looks like this. It's a simple black. How much is in this? I'm quite curious to see if it has more or the same amount. So this one has, what's the ounces in here? Where's my packaging? No. This has 3.5 ml. And so, how much is this one? This one has 10 ml. So obviously you're getting a little bit more lash glue. This is the different packaging. Looks like you'd get more in this, but whatever. So anyway, this is going to be definitely a first impression. I'm I'm going to use Velour lashes with it. These are the style Feeling Myself. So this is definitely a style that I would do when I'm using my, like doing a liner. I'll also note, like, you are supposed to put these on right away. So it does recommend that you put one eye on first with the liner and then not quickly, but put your lash on and then move on to the next eye. When I put my lashes on, I like to have my mascara on first. I just find it blends much easier, but I don't typically do my mascara before my liquid liner. So we're gonna see how this is gonna work out. I did my makeup already. I actually did do a tutorial on this look because I used some new products. So that will be a next video. So keep a lookout for that. Subscribe so you don't miss. But anyway, let's just jump into this because I'm gonna ramble. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in. I'm gonna put this headband on actually back on because I don't want my hair to get in the way. This is my daughter's. I stole it from her. Not stole it, but I'm using it. What is this? Anyway, so I've been seeing a lot of people using it, a lot of buzz going on. Oh my gosh, you can see my pores. Okay. I'm getting distracted. Okay, so I'm gonna actually take my lash out. I don't know how quickly it's gonna dry or anything like that. So I wanna kind of get prepared. So I'm gonna get my lash out, and like I said, I'm using the Velour lashes and Feeling Myself. I'm gonna take some of this glue off here. Okay, I cleaned my lash. I'm all done. I got the glue off. I'm actually really excited. So let's go in with the liner. So, oh my god, I'm so intrigued. I hope I don't mess up my liner, and I hope this is going to be quite easy to get off because, to be honest, lash glue can be quite hard to get off. So let's try this. Let's put this on. I'm really excited. Ooh. So, really nice thin wand here. Very nice. So I'm going to start here, like I always do. Now, I don't know how quickly I should be moving either. So I'm gonna put this Okay, so I got one eye done. And then I'm gonna take my lash and I guess just plop it right on. So oh, whoops. I don't know if I should have waited. I should have read the instructions. Ooh, that is already on there. That is like on there. It does come with instructions, by the way. I didn't even read them. Measure, trim your lashes, which these are already done because I've worn these before. Start with one eye, apply an even coat of the Lash and Glow liner from inner corner to outer corner, blah, blah, blah. Directly apply false lash along your lash line and adjust as necessary. Repeat on the other eye. So it doesn't say how long. I didn't actually have to wait that long, and it's already like stuck onto my eye, so that is quite nice. I don't know if you can, I don't want to like try and tug it off, but I don't know if you can see like, ooh, ooh, ooh. It's stuck on there. I don't know if that was a good representation, but it's on there. And I'm like really sure, and it looks really good. The liner itself is nice and black, which I really, really like. Okay, I'm really excited. Okay, let's do the other eye. Let's do the other eye. Oh, wait. Okay, I gotta clean off the other lash. So let's do it on the other eye. And you don't have to do a wing if you didn't want to, obviously. You can just tight line. But I wanted to do a wing because I wanted to see how the liner itself would do for a wing. I think this is going to be so nice for people who struggle with lashes. And I think this is going to be so nice even for me. I put lashes on quite often, but I'm not going to claim to be... A lot comes out of this, by the way. I'm not going to claim to be an expert at lashes, because I'm 110% not. Sometimes... I'm not going to be claimed to be an expert on liner either. But sometimes this will be a test to see how good it cleans up, I guess, too. So, let me finish this. But I think this is going to be a real game changer for people who don't wear lashes. They're not good at putting them on. They're like struggling with the lash glue and everything like that. So, let's plop this bad boy on here. Oh my god, I'm just so amazed! Yes, they're on! And it looks so good! Okay, let me go back to this lash, and I'm gonna do the same thing as I would always do with my lashes. So I'm gonna just press them. Ooh, I'm getting a little bit of thing. So I just press them together. Now, as you can see, you can see the band. So I always put my liner back on. So I guess you could either use the velour again, or maybe use your other mascara if you didn't want to waste it, since it is also a nice lash adhesive. But if you were also worried about your lash, when you just apply it back over to hide that band, oops, you're like getting extra protection. And who doesn't want extra protection on their lash? I know I always am wanting to make sure these girls are secure. What is going on here? You want to be careful because it's quite liquidy though, I do notice. So you want to be careful. I should have wiped some of that extra off, but other than that, I'm so excited. Like, I'm just so happy right now. Although I did make a little bit of a mess of that one, but that's not the liner's fault, that's just my fault. Because I had no steady hand. I was too excited. So what I'm gonna do, give me a second and I'm gonna run and get a Q-tip and see if we can clean that up a little bit and see if it's easy to get off. Okay, so I got a Q-tip and we're gonna see how, if I can just kind of brush this off. Oh, it's actually coming off really easy. I didn't put anything on it. It's just a dry Q-tip. So you want to be careful because it could take off all your makeup off. Because if you can see here, it's taking some of my makeup off. Yes! Okay! I'm like so excited right now. You have no idea. The only thing I will say is you want to definitely wipe it off because quite a bit actually comes out and you don't need that much. But I just fix this little section here. And it's actually nice and black. I will say, look how black that is. Okay, don't mind this eye because that was my fault. I just did a hot mess. Just look at this beautiful eye that I did. And I'm really, really, really liking it. Like, I'm gonna be obsessed with this. I can see I'm gonna order others. This is definitely, I'm gonna stick with this. This is so nice, especially if you already plan to do like a liner and you wanna wear lashes, or you're just, let me move you guys out. Like if you wanted to do lashes and liner, why not just stick with this as a 2-in-1? You don't have to wait. I think that's gonna be the thing that I'm most excited for because I'm a mother of 2, as you guys know. You always hear my children in the background. And sometimes just waiting for lashes is just, I don't like to do because I'm trying to get my makeup done super quick. This was so fast. Like I just put it on and then I put the lash on right away. It was it was already ready to go, which I really like. I like to be quick sometimes. Or if I'm just trying to run out the door and you're like, yeah, I really wanted some cute lashes, you can just quickly tight line with this. It's going to make your lashes blend even better. Plop those right on. You don't have to actually do the wing and just step out your door. I am so excited for this. This is going to be great for people who aren't good at applying lashes or like with the glue, because sometimes the glue can get really messy and people just have a hard time. I think this is going to be really good. I am so excited for this. I'm already in love. It's just so nice and it's already completely dry. Nothing's coming off. My lash is nice and secure. I feel like it feels more secure than when I put on their regular lash glue. I'm so happy right now. I still will keep this and still repurchase this because there are times where I have lashes and I don't want a tight line, or like they have clear bands and I want that clear look and I don't actually want that black. So I don't think that this will just completely take this away, but this is so good. I am so excited. Like you have no idea. I know this video was super quick. I just really wanted to demonstrate quickly how easy this could be, and just kind of show you a first impression. And I am loving it. I'm in love. This is definitely a new fave of mine already. I can tell. You guys will see it in future videos because it's just so easy. And it's like, it is on there. You can see me like tugging my eye. Like it is on. On there. Oh look, there we go. Easy to take off. I'm hoping. Okay, let's take this off real quick. Oh, okay. Let's take them off. I know I just put them on and you're like, but you're gonna take them off. But I brought it over because I want to see how hard it is gonna be to take off. Just because I know like as soon as I put lash glue on, it just does not want to come off my eyes. So I'm gonna use my micellar water, which I normally use sometimes. Well, I use a combination of this and cleansing oil, but I usually use this around my eyes. So I'm gonna see if it's gonna come off, but I'm so impressed with this. Okay. Okay. Got a little mess under here. Ooh, and I'm gonna do the other side with a makeup wipe. That's what we're gonna do, I decided, because this actually came off very easy. So this is something I would do normally. I would take my micellar water and I start with my eyes, and then I go in with my cleansing oil and go over everything. So that just kind of gets rid of any extra residue. So my oil cleanser would sweep away anything that is left over, and it's not all stuck in my lashes either. Really nice. Not hard to remove. I don't feel like I need to tug. I feel like it was a little easier to... Ooh, look at this. I'm looking like a raccoon. I think it was a little easier to take off with the micellar water versus this makeup wipe. I don't usually use makeup wipes to take off my lashes, my makeup. I don't usually use makeup wipes to take off my makeup if I can talk. So I probably stick to my micellar water because look how nicely that cleaned up versus this one's looking a little bit of a hot mess. But yeah, I think it did a pretty good job. I'm so excited for this. Looking like the bottom bar, I'm gonna put... I'm gonna actually go ahead and fix my makeup and put them back on. I'm gonna film another video, a little sneak peek. I'm gonna try out all these lashes because I have them and I finally want to try all of them on. So I'm gonna do that next, actually. And of course, I'm gonna use this. So keep a lookout at the bottom bar, or maybe I'll put it on the screen if it lasts me for the rest of the day, if the lashes will stay on the rest of the day with them, which I have no doubt that they will. They were on very nicely unless you're tugging at your eye all day, which nobody is normally. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here looking really crazy. I'm so excited for it. I really like it. Let me know if you guys have purchased it or if you're thinking of purchasing it now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really liked it. I was super excited. I feel like the video was quite fast. I hope I got everything out that I wanted to say. I just got so excited and kind of distracted a little bit. So thank you so much for watching. Keep a lookout for that video, and I also did a video on this look that I did with the cream blush and bronzers from Fenty, her new ones. So you can see my opinion on those as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.